Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome. So in this lesson we will learn about string method. So let's get started. I have variable name is equal between double quotation Ahmed with capital letter. So dot lower. So lower I will print name. So lower is used. This method used to change all characters to small letter. So I have Ahmed. So with the upper Python l.py upper. This method used to change all characters to capital letter. So A, look at, with capitalize I will write Ahmed Ali. Python l.py Ahmed Ali. This method used to change first letter to capital letter and L letters to small letter. So I have another example is title. Title Ahmed Ali. Title, this method change each first letter of all words to capital letter and the other letters to small. So I will put many spaces there and use strip. Let me check. Python l.py. This method used to delete all the spaces in the first. So we can use many methods. So I will use strip with title. Let me check. Python l.py Ahmed Ali Ahmed. So we have also replace. I will delete all the space to underscore. So this method for the old value and this for new value. So we'll change all spaces in the sentence to underscore. So let me check. Look at this. So finally I will give advice to you. Search about W3 school string method to see many methods. You will need it, and goodbye.